Alright guys, here we go, down to the Jameson Valley Rainforest Boardwalks. Hold on and enjoy the ride, I'll see you at the bottom.
Hey, I was sitting back this way.
Trust me, you'll want to be raced.
Really?
You will enjoy the fact that you'll sit by back as soon as you get past the station.
Alright, let's see. Oh my.
Welcome down into Gundungurra and Daru country, entering the Jameson Valley Rainforest Boardwalks. Once the railway comes to a complete stop at the bottom, everyone will have to exit to your left-hand side. Please exit to your left, head up those stairs over the bridge and explore the 10-minute walkway directly to the cableway. There's also the 30 and 50-minute walks take you deep into the rainforest and bring you back up towards the cableway as well, guys. Enjoy, doors opening on the left-hand side.
Oh,